Hello, everyone. My name is Ebenezer Fanijo. So this is a collaborative work with Professor Edorgmus. Unfortunately, she left the School of Video Construction. Unfortunately, she left the School of Video Construction, but the project is still continuing, and then we also collaborate with Professor Kurtis in the Civil Engineering Department. So this project is all about developing a low carbon building materials for climate adaptation and mitigation. So the main idea of this project is to address the issue that comes with the CO2 emissions coming from the construction industry, primarily with cement. We use cement a lot. It's the most used construction materials in the world. And cement, which is primary ingredient in concrete. Our plan was to develop a sustainable alternative materials, which is low carbon, to mitigate the the CO2 emission. So we found a low carbon cementitious materials in calcium carbide residue, which we call CCR. This waste materials is coming from the production of acetylene, which is usually disposed as an environmental landfill, which causes pollution and all that. So we process these materials and we use that to conduct experimental pilot programs, and also one of the objectives was to establish interdisciplinary team with experts to leverage on this pilot testing. So the key accomplishment so far is we're able to build team around this project, not just in the College of Design. We've managed to work with professors in ISYE, the policy department as well, and then we were able to develop the CCR, and we were able to use it as a replacement for cement, as you can see in the picture right there. And then when we compared the strength, we saw that 30% of CCR was able provide good strength, better microstructure, which also advanced the durability of the materials as well. So based on this preliminary data we have, we were able to apply for a couple of grants for RBI, DOE, and PCA. We're still waiting on that. And then this project gives us an opportunity for students to work together, both graduate students and undergraduate students. They work together in developing the CCR and conduct the pilot testing. So next step is to organize workshop. Part of the plan was to organize workshop. We already did that with the RED conference, which is the real estate conference, which we talk about affordable housing, and also the sustainable materials workshop. And then we also thinking about NIST characterization workshop. We're going to present this project there. And we want to foster industry and research collaboration in order for us to upscale the research to apply for NSF and USDA. We also want to create like a instructional laboratory for the students to talk about sustainable materials, because this is one thing the School of Building Construction is interested in. And the most important thing is to be able to use the shared facility to upscale our research. This is just a pilot testing. We want to be able to upscale that. We need experts in the techno, economic and environmental analysis. We believe it's good to perform LCE analysis to compare the environmental impact in terms of economy and the environmental impact as well. And also partnership, as I said, and then be able to continue lab models. Thank you.